Hey Facebook and YouTube, today is October 7th, Thursday. We are on a hardwood restoration job for a client that found me on YouTube actually. I know he found me on Facebook. And he's put this house on the market. This was a rental. And he asked me to come and offer my services. The floors are in rough shape, but he wants to add tint to it to make it darker, which we can do. That way it all blends. So you're going to add some dark walnut to it. Which again does a couple things. It saves them from having to sand it, which is costly and time consuming and dirty. And then we save them money by not having to replace it. So again, we save this client thousands and thousands of dollars. So he's so excited. Again, we're dustless, completely dustless. Only thing that we leave behind is the old poly, which is my part, which becomes air, self-contained. And we also get it done within 1 day. So we will be on the shop, guys. Hit Facebook, YouTube, Ryan with AOCleaning. I am done. As you can see, these floors turned out amazing. This part right here is drying, but they did go with the satin finish. And like I said, we added the tint to the poly. They did go with the dark walnut to kind of camouflage any imperfections because these floors are pretty damaged. And they understood that it's really just to hide the imperfections and give it a little bit more of a pop. And they understood that, and they're excited. So again, we saved them from sanding and also replacement. And this is only $3.50 a square foot, and they love it. and it's a little under 900 square feet. So we were able to save these floors, guys. All right, guys, that's going to do it. Thanks for watching.